Hey, it's time for Rumba hip action. Yes, we've got quite the routine for you. Very simple, yet sensual.
So that you can work on your hip action, because hip action is the lifeblood of Cuban Latin ballroom dancing.
But wait a minute, what if you're already super advanced and you have great hip action? I mean, is this really something that the advanced dancers are gonna want?
Of course, it's going to be perfect because advanced dancers know that going back to the basics is fundamental, is crucial, essential to working the technique and just getting those basics down.
So this is a great tutorial for beginners, intermediates, and advanced to really work your hip action. Get the foundation.
All right.
Hey, let's do some rumba. Footwork. We're gonna start very slowly. The weight's on the right foot. Now you rock forward with the left foot and then replace back to the right foot. Now you go side on your left. Rock back on the right, put the weight back onto the left, and then side right. It's gonna be 3 rumba walks forward. So it's gonna be left forward, right forward, and then left forward. You're gonna close your right foot and then keep your weight shifting onto the left and then back onto the right foot. Now it's 3 walks back. So we're gonna go back left, back right, and back left. Now we close the right foot, shift the weight back to the left, and then back to the right. We're ready to do the whole thing again from the beginning. Let's do it a second time. Now we're gonna go just a little bit faster. So we rock forward left, replace to the right, side left. Now back on the right foot, replace the left foot, and side right. 3 walks forward. It's gonna be forward left, forward right, forward left. Now close the right foot, switch the weight back to the left foot, and then back onto the right foot. 3 walks back. We're gonna go left, back right, back left, close the right foot, switch to the left, back to the right. And we're back to the beginning again. And now let's go even faster. So we're gonna go forward on the left foot, replace back to the right foot, and side left. Rock back right, replace left, and side right. 3 rumba walks forward. We're gonna go left, right, left. Close that right foot, switch to the left, and back onto the right. 3 rumba walks back, left, right, left, and close the right foot, switch left, and back to the right. And we are done! Yes! Timing. And we hold 4-1. Rock forward on 2. Replace 3. Side 4-1. Rock back on 2. Replace 3 and 4-1. Forward 2, 3, 4. Hold that 1 and close 2, 3, 4, 1. Back on 2, 3, 4. Hold that 1 and close it. 2, 3, 4, 1. Basic rumba timing throughout. Bonus tips! Okay, we want to work on that hip action because it is such a simple routine. This will make it easy to get it in there. Now, we're going to mirror this. This will be your right side. I know you're thinking, I don't like this mirror image stuff, but trust me, you have to be able to work from over the shoulder and follow feet and hips, but also learn from the front too. So get comfortable so you learn faster. All right, let's do the routine. So we start off here. And I'm actually going to keep my arms relatively still so we can focus on the hip action. You're just getting your body action here, and then rock. Body action, replace. Body action, and side step. Get your body action first, and then step. And then body action, step, body action, and step. Let's back that up. Now, we've got body action, and 2, body action, 3, body action, and 4. Now we get that body action and make our foot go. 2, body action, 3, and 4, 1. Now we got our body action here, so now we can step. And body action, then step. Body action, then step. body action, and then step. So you're using your body, hip action, 2, 3, 4, 1. That way you can be ready to step, and you're not stepping and then trying to like find body action somewhere. Always do body action, commence with body action first, then step. 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Just keep drilling it in there.
Good job. Standing ovation for getting your basics down.
Yes.
Fantastic. And you want to do more? Get your hands on top 10 steps in Rumba. Haha.
Right there.
More technique, get your hands on Rumba Essentials course that you can follow at your own pace.
Subscribe right here, and be sure to check out our Instagram. LiWen and Tytus from Dance and Sandy.
And we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.